What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video is sponsored by UVISION. UVISION has sent me this projector to unbox and review. Now, the UVISION projector usually goes around $280 USD, but right now you can get it on Amazon for $230. There'll be a link in the description. Now, this projector is a native 1080p resolution with a 5,000 to 1 contrast ratio, so it's got a really good, crisp picture. It also says that it has this fully enclosed dust-proof system to avoid dust from getting in, and also that's supposed to help your projector last longer. It also has an upgraded keystone correction, which means that it provides a plus-minus 40-degree vertical and horizontal keystone correction. Now, the instructions also say that the projector can project a 200-inch screen. Anything bigger than that, it'll start to look grainy and the picture won't be as nice. Here are the QR codes for their website as well as their YouTube channel. While I finish unboxing the projector, let me tell you a little bit about how I'm going to set this up. I'm going to put it on a projector tripod and project it in my basement wall, which is painted in a non-reflective white that I had specially for a projector. I had this hope of turning my basement room into a movie theater, but that kind of fell through. But I still have the wall and I still project movies, games, and sporting events on there. Here's a look at the front of the projector. Pretty basic, standard. I'm going to go over to the side here where you're going to see the HDMI, 2 USB, AV input, and an auxiliary input for anything you want to plug into it speaker-wise. It has adjustable arms so you can raise it, and to focus it or change the image size, you pretty much just rotate that lens in the front. Now, here's the wall I was telling you about that I project onto. Here is the projector tripod that I will be mounting it on, and then we'll show some video. And here is the projector projecting one of my YouTube videos, and you can see that the colors are great. The image is very crisp. And then after this video will be a live broadcast of the Binghamton Black Bears hockey game. Go Black Bears. You can see that it can keep up with the action, fast pace, track the puck, and you'll even get a bit of a scrum here, so enjoy. Now we're going to put it up against my other projector, my Yabber I got about 2 years ago. Now, the Yabber says it has a higher contrast ratio and a bigger screen projection, but I don't believe it. The two biggest differences with these projectors is that this projector has a TF card reader and a VGA input, but to be honest with you, I've never used either one of them. But after I'm done showing you a little walk around of this projector, we will do a side-by-side comparison. Now, a couple different things in this comparison is that the Yabber has very blue ice, the UVISION has very white, very much a difference in clarity. The Yabber is a little bit grainier, colors are a little bit more saturated. Now you can see the sky's a little bit more blue in the Yabber, but it's a little bit too blue. And the other UVISION is much clearer, less cloudiness, crisper picture. So I would definitely say that the UVISION is beating the Yabber. I'll end this video with a clip of the projector showing all of its true colors, contrasts, and clear image. Big shout out to UVISION for sponsoring this video. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the UVISION X1 projector, please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. Also, there'll be links in the description for you to go purchase your own UVISION X1 home theater projector. I also want to point out that I did shoot this from my GoPro Hero 7 on top of the projector, so if it doesn't look perfect, and believe me, it does not do it justice that when you see it in real life, that is why. So head over to the link in the descriptions, click it, and head on over to Amazon and check out UVISION and all their other products, and feel free to ask them questions as well. And thank you very much for watching.